What's up, guys? So just another update video on the car, kind of what I've done to it since the last time. This may be the last update video you guys see for a minute, just because there's nothing too much else to do to it other than boost or a wrap color or something. So I'll do the outside, interior, and then performance. I'll tell you guys everything about it, where I've got it from, so there won't be any questions or anything. So starting with the wheels, these are the same wheels that I've had for about 2 years. They're the PF07s. Recently had them wrapped in a mag blue. Basically, it's a 50-50 mix of misty blue and Saratoga blue powder coat, and it comes pretty close to the Volk mag blue you see on like the TE37s and stuff like that. Specs are a 19x10 with an 18 offset, and I got a 255/35/19 Firestone Firehawk Indy tire all around. The calipers are painted yellow with the G2 paint caliper kit. I got that on Tire Rack. I got one kit. It was about 40 bucks, and it was enough to powder coat these, or not powder coat, but to paint these, and then also part of my Lincoln as well. So one coat is all you need. Roof spoiler, I got this on eBay. The roof is wrapped gloss black in Avery film. Mirrors are the carbon fiber replacements. I got those from Halisco's Carbon Fiber, but you can find the same ones on Alibaba. As far as suspension goes, I have the TN Street Basis Z coilovers with the SPC camber arms. The coilovers I got with the car, and then I got the camber arms on eBay, I believe. I found a guy selling them for pretty cheap. Tail lights, they're all clear tail lights. I got them from Clear by Nick on Instagram. I go to the front of the car. Headlights are the OEM headlights. I just opened them up, painted them black, changed the projector glass, added a halo and switchbacks. The fog lights are actually eBay fog lights. I had the Morimotos, but they were trash, honestly. They kept leaking, I couldn't adjust them, and it was just all around a bad time. So I got those on eBay for about half the price, and they look the same, and they are adjustable. The emblem is actually a RGB emblem that I got from Alibaba as well. I've made a video on that, so if you have any questions about that, check it out. I don't know how well that'll pop up in the camera, but it changes colors. Those are the fog lights and the headlights. So the actual projector shroud is RGB. The bulbs are Osram CBB headlight bulbs. I got all the headlight parts, including the bulbs, from the retrofit source. Let's go to the inside. So I'll start with the floor mats. These are actually WeatherTech. I got them locally from a lady for like $30, and they fit perfect. I have an Infiniti accent lighting kit for the footwells. Headliner, I wrapped it in black suede, and then those visors right there are Q60 visors. I think they're from a 2017 Q60. I got all that fabric from Joann's, the visors from eBay, and there's also a Starlight kit in there too. I got that from Amazon. I think it's a 300-piece star kit. Get in. So shift knob is from WC Latheworks. on Instagram. It's a stainless steel one. It's weighted. It feels pretty good in the hands. The steering wheel is from eBay, actually. Carbon fiber surround, flat bottom, carbon fiber trim panels right here. This is wrapped. It was wrapped when I got the car, along with everything else. It's like I think I looked the color up. It's 3M, like dark aluminum or something like that. Pop the hood. Oh, there's a tree right there. So exhaust is the ISR single exit exhaust. I think I got that from either Concept Z or ISR's website. I have an ISR Y pipe as well. I got that locally from one of my homeboys. I got the Stillen Gen 3 intakes that were on the car when I bought it. This is all the wiring for all the lights and emblems and stuff. I got it kind of off to the side. Test pipes are the Seaworks Designs art pipes. I got those maybe about 2-3 years ago. If you guys don't know, the Seaworks guy is actually admin's like fabricator for his intakes and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it, other than like other miscellaneous stuff like LED bulbs and stuff like that. A lot of people ask me, is the diffuser wrapped? Honestly, I don't know. I think it is, but it's black. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I don't know if that's focused in or not, but that is how the car sits as of right now. So yeah, it's a good time to end it because this dude is banging gears. But yep, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow for more content. Thanks.